And then, literally Chipotle at home right now. Right now, oh, do you like my new t-shirt? Yay! I love it. It's gonna be my new uniform from now on. I am gonna run to the groceries and get some kimchi because I ran out of my kimchi. Usually I like to get it like 2 days before I run out completely. And then I also want to make some kind of like inspired by Chipotle, like Chipotle salad bowl kind of thing. So I'm defrosting some shrimp and I'm gonna marinate the beef before I leave. So we got this flank steak from Costco. First I get orange juice, around half a cup of orange juice. Then I'm gonna use some vinegar, around 2 tablespoons. 1/4 cup of any kind of oil, half teaspoon of salt, ground pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon, some garlic, around a tablespoon, and paprika. So I have all these vegetables from that hot pot prep, and we're not gonna have hot pot anytime soon. So I'm going to use all of this to make a fast homemade kimchi. Before I go to the store, I'm gonna salt this so that, because it takes 2 hours for the salt to take all the water out from the veggies. And I'm just using Morton's iodized salt, but if you use like sea salt, coarse salt, those are better. They're sweating. I'm just like going through my mind which grocery store I should brave. It's a weekend and I know it gets really busy on the weekends. There's like, we're so blessed in K-Town to have like 5 different Korean groceries and like they're all different, they're all unique. There's like 2 H-Marts within Koreatown and there's another one coming. But I think I have one in mind because that's the one I like to go to because they have kimchi sometimes on sale and it's already like the cheapest ones out of H-Mart, Galleria. So I'm gonna go to the Hannam supermarket, but that one I'm cringing right now thinking about it because I think it might be crazy. Like the parking lot is so small. But anyways, I'm gonna go there, get kimchi and some other things, and hopefully I don't get sidetracked and get snacks. I am definitely grateful to live in K-Town for this exact reason. Like I can just go to the grocery store and it would only take me like 15 minutes. I used to live in Arizona where there was like one Asian store for like all different kinds of Asians, and like Korean food was like one aisle. Like, so those, I think of about like times like that where I was like, oh man, I wish there was an H-Mart nearby. Let's go and see if I can brave this crazy parking situation in K-Town. It's like a war zone in here. Oh my god. Finally, I am out of there. Holy wow. That was intense. That was honestly intense grocery shopping. I got like pushed twice, I swear. You just have to be strong. Oh man, that was super intense. Like, no, I can't do that again. I'm back home. I'm gonna undo my groceries. This is my grocery haul again. And I got some beer because it's the weekend. Yeah, that was a rough grocery trip. Note to self, do not go on the weekends. Go during the weekdays. All right. Looking good. See, look how much water came out of that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it in some water now. Okay, so we have the salted cabbage and yuk choy, and all the water is drained. I'm gonna take my kimchi marinade and just basically mix everything. It's like Christmas colors. Kimchi Christmas. And this kind of kimchi, you don't have to wait until it ferments. You can just eat it as it is. Ooh, that's really good. Damn. Okay, now I'm gonna make the guacamole. These are really nice because they're from Mike's mom's garden. So so it's organic. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. And you don't have to dice your tomatoes or onions ever again. You get your stress out, you get some workout in your arms, and you get these beautiful diced onions. Mash the avocados like this and put some onions in that as well. And then I'm gonna season the guac as well. And more lime juice. This also keeps the guac really fresh for a long time and doesn't give you that gross brown color, which is basically the oxidation, and the lime helps prevent that oxidation process. Science. Making the shrimp right now. Ta-da! So I'm gonna make a salad bowl. This is mine with the romaine lettuce and cilantro and the guac, salsa, and our protein platter, which is the flank steak marinated, and the shrimp, and lime, and Parmesan cheese. And I like to use this green dragon hot sauce from Trader Joe's for more spice. Taco Tuesday! Except it's Saturday. I love these glasses from, they're from Roy Choi's restaurant in Vegas. Best friend, and I loved it so much. And I kept thinking about them, so I got them. I'm gonna make my Chipotle style salad bowl. So I already have my lettuce and cilantro. Then I'm gonna go in with the protein. Some steak, some shrimp, and then guac. And I don't have to pay $3 extra for guac. And sprinkle lime. And then literally Chipotle at home right now. So Mike's a little princess, so he has to have his tortillas roasted. But actually I made fun of him for being extra, but then I had one and I was like, oh my gosh, you are so right. And basically just, ow! So much Star Wars. Be right back. We're gonna enjoy some tacos and Star Wars. Number 5. I'm learning about Star Wars. It's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed what I cooked today. Tacos were bomb. I really enjoyed them, and the beer. It was a nice, relaxing Saturday, except for the grocery part, but I mean, it was needed. And you guys got a taste of what K-Town grocery shopping on a Saturday is like. I'm really into Star Wars right now, so I'm trying to play catch up because I haven't seen any of the like old Star Wars movies, like the 4, 5, 6. So I'm really getting into the Star Wars right now. It's really good. So we're gonna continue watching Star Wars. I'm gonna say goodnight to you guys here. Thank you guys for watching another Vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow. Happy Saturday. Bye.